Dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel CAED SVCE. Let us see problem on lateral surface development. So I'm taking this problem. A rectangular prism of base 40 mm by 25 mm and height 65 mm rests on HP on one of its base 25 mm side inclined at 30 degree to VP. It is cut by a plane inclined at 40 degree to HP and perpendicular to VP, cuts the axis at its mid-height. Draw the development of the remaining portion of the prism. So this is the development of a rectangular prism. The base dimension is given 40 by 25 mm and height of the prism is given to 65 mm. Is saying resting on HP fine and one of its base 25 mm side, and is saying 25 mm side base which is inclined at 30 degree to VP, and it is cut by a plane inclined 40 degree to HP and perpendicular to VP. Cut the axis at the mid height. So draw the development of this remaining portion of the solid. So let us draw an XY line. Just for my reference, I am drawing XY line. This is my XY line. And I should make it thin line. Just make it thin line. So now construct the rectangular prism 40 by 25 mm. So I'm constructing rectangle 40 by 25 mm. So make it one side is 40, another side is 25. Let's take this is 25, and let's take this is 45. Let's take this is 40 and 25. This is 40 and 25. So now we need, and this base 65 mm side base which is inclined 30 degree to VP. So this base is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to VP. VP means the dimension should be below XY line. Let us draw one inclined line. Before that, I'll select and I'll keep somewhere here just for my reference, and I will draw one 30 degree inclination line. Just draw one 30 degree inclination line. This inclination should be 30 degree. This inclination should be 30 degree, which is given in the problem. So now I will go to move option. Just go to move option. Just go to move option. Copy should be off. Select this element and select this corner. Just place the corner on 30 degree inclination line like this. I'm placing like this. Now go to rotate. Go to rotate. Just select this complete element, and this is my start point of the rotation, and this side I place like this, or you can place like this. You can place like this, and just I move this one just for my reference. I select and I will move somewhere here. Go to move. Copy should be off. Just select this one. Select this point. Place somewhere here just for my reference, or you can keep somewhere here. Okay, so here 25 side base edge 25 mm which is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to VP. That condition is satisfied. So now I can, and let us see the dimensions. So this is 40, fine, very good, and this is 25, very good. And now we need to draw height is 65 mm, axis height. Let us draw our projection lines from each and every corners. I'm drawing projection lines from this corner, again from this corner. I'm drawing projection lines. From this corner, I'm drawing projection lines. Projection lines. So now height, just mark the axis and just show the height of the prism. Height is given 65 mm. Just go to line. Height is 65 mm. This I will mark it. And from here it should be 65. From this corner it should be 65. From here it should be 65. Now trim the unwanted lines, just trim unwanted extra lines. So now I can mark the, this should be height should be 6, just mark the height should be 65 mm. Now it's saying now we need to mark the cutting plane. So cutting plane is inclined at an angle of 40 degree to HP, and it is passing and it is cut at the axis. It cut the axis at its midpoint. Now how to find midpoint? 65 by 2 will be the midpoint. So we need to draw one line. Just draw one reference line. Just draw one reference line. So I'm drawing one reference line, and it should be located exactly at the middle of 65. So just go to dimensions, small dimensions, measure this. It should be 65 by 2. 65 by 32.5, exactly at the middle. Okay. Now mark the axis. Mark the axis. How to find the axis? Just draw a diagonal line. This, then this, and this. Just mark the axis line and mark the axis line. Just select this and this corner. You get the axis. So from the axis, just draw from the axis. I am drawing one axis line. From the midpoint, just draw an axis line. It should be height, whatever it may be. It should be 90. It should be 90 degree. This is my axis line. This should be axis line. This is my axis line. Okay, I constructed an axis line. So now midpoint is this one. So now the inclination is given. It is 40 degree to HP is given. The inclination is given 40 degree to HP. So now I am showing. I draw an inclination line. Just select a line. So from the midpoint, from here, just draw a line, and that inclination. Just mark the inclination angle between this and this should be 40 degree. And just extend the line. You have an option called extend to max. Extend this one, extend to here till this point. So now trim the unwanted line. Just trim out the extra lines or unwanted lines. So now draw the parallel line from this surface. I'm drawing on parallel line. From the bottom, you draw a parallel line. So now just draw on reference line. Just draw on reference line from here to here on reference line. So now you have 25. Let's take 25. So I'll go to offset. Offset. Offset length is 25 mm. Angle is sorry. You need to select the line. Select the line. Go to offset. Offset distance is 25 mm. And let's mark the line this side 25 mm. And mark this side 25. And this, it should be 40. And this should be again 25. And this should be 40. This should be 40. So one is 25 mm. It's a rectangle 25, 40. Again 25, 40. This is 25. This is 40. And trim the extra lines. I don't want these extra lines. So now just draw the projection lines. See, I'm drawing the projection lines. So before that, just do the naming. Just do the naming. Let us take A of A1. A of A1, then B of B1, and C of C1, then D of D1, D of D1. This is my B of A1, this is my B of B1, this is my C of C1, this is my D of D1. And here it should be okay. And this point 1, just mark point 2, point 3, point 4. Now extend the line. Say from point 1, this is my point 1, from here to here, you get point 1. Then go to point 2, intersect B of B1. This is my point 2. If you want, you can zoom that area. Zoom that area and go to line. Select, this is my point 2. Effect B of B1. B of B1. And next go to C of C1. Just I'll zoom that area. Go to text, select this intersection point, this and this. Pick the sheet and go to C of C1 line. C of C1 line. Next, go to D of D1. D of D1 means from here. From here to here you mark point number 4, and last one is A of A1. Just extend this line. Extend this line, take this point. Now go to complete the sketch. See this one, this, this, and this, and this, and complete the profile. Complete the profile. This is the lateral surface development of the given prism. If you want, you can do the naming. Just go with naming. Suppose if you go to naming, this is my my A, and this is my A1. This is my B, and this is my B1. This is my C, and this is my C1. This is my D, this is my D1, this is A, and this is my A1. So this is my A1, this is A, this is B1, this is B, C1C, B1D, A1, and this is my E. And points, intersection points, let us go to text. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. This is my 1, this is my 2, this is my 3, this is my 4, this is my 1. So this completes the lateral surface development of a rectangle prism. If you like my video, please subscribe, and please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Thank you, and thank you so much.